Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will compare the Nissan GTR versus hypercars. We'll explore how these two distinct categories of high-performance vehicles stack up against each other. While both offer exhilarating speed, their approaches to achieving it, along with their design philosophies and price points, vary significantly. Join us as we delve into the fascinating world of automotive excellence, examining what sets these incredible machines apart. When it comes to raw power, the Nissan GTR is a formidable machine, often delivering around 600 horsepower from its robust twin-turbo V6 engine. Hypercars, however, push boundaries, frequently boasting over 1,000 horsepower, often through sophisticated hybrid systems. This translates to astonishing acceleration, with many hypercars reaching 60 miles per hour in under 2.5 seconds, showcasing their extreme engineering prowess. The Nissan GTR's design prioritizes functional aerodynamics and a highly capable all-wheel drive system, making it a track weapon. Hypercars, on the other hand, are masterpieces of exotic materials, extensively using carbon fiber for an incredibly lightweight yet rigid chassis. Their aerodynamic profiles are sculpted for maximum downforce and minimal drag, often featuring active aero elements that adapt to driving conditions for unparalleled grip and stability. Perhaps the most striking difference lies in price and exclusivity. A new Nissan GTR typically starts around $120,000, offering incredible performance value. Hypercars, however, exist in a different financial stratosphere, with prices easily soaring from $1 million to several $1 million. Their production is often limited to just a few dozen units globally, making them incredibly rare and exclusive collector's items for the most discerning enthusiasts.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.